Mommy put a little bit of tape on this one because it was bulging out. I know we're going to lose interest here while I'm trying to get the box open. But oh, look, Riley. Panima and Pat Pat. Look. A shirt and skirt and boots.
Huh.
Look at your boots. You want to put your boots on? Over top of your monkeys? Put your boots on. Look. You've got boots.
Now she can play in the sand trap.
That's right. I wish we'd had these the other day. Maybe she wouldn't have fallen. And rubber boots just hose off, don't they? There you go. Look at your boots. Look at how pretty